Jai Srimannarayana. 21st sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Purushaha prakristho hi bhunkte prakritijan gunan karanam गुणसंगोऽस्य सदसत् योनिजन्मसु ॐ. You are situated in material nature, your body, and you are experiencing the qualities born of nature. If you get attached to those qualities, you will have to be born again, but you do not know which kind of body you will be taking next time. To get rid of the cycle of this birth and death, be attached to Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I realize that I am situated in this material nature in my body and experiencing the qualities born of nature. I understand that if I do get attached to these qualities, I will have to take birth again, and which is so uncertain what kind of body that I am going to get. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall be attached to you only. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam Dvaipayano viraha katara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya, Naram Chaiva Narottamam, Devim Saraswatim Vyasam, Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 248th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Krishna, all of your avatars and all of your activities you do only to bring, to give joy to your devotees. O Krishna, your glory cannot be accessed by either by speech or by mind. But jananta eva janantu kim bahuktya name prabho. There are some people claims that, yes, we do know about Krishna very well. May there be like that people, some of them, but as far as I know, manaso vapusho vacho vaibhavam tava nagocharaha. ఈశ్వరని పెంపున్ ఎరుగన్ మనోవాక్కులకున్ గురి చేయన్ కొలది కాదు గుణరత్న నిధి. As far as I know, you are a treasure of all kind of divine attributes, divine qualities. Either speech or mind cannot reach, cannot understand, cannot access your glory. Oh Krishna, but there are some people who were blessed by you, lucky people. They understand you, they will enjoy you, they will experience you. Oh Krishna, now Anujanihi Mam Krishna, please give me permission to go back to my world, my lokam. Oh Krishna, sarvamunivu yerunguduvu sarvavilokanudavivu jagadadhipativin ಸರ್ವಾಪರಾಧಿನನುನೋ ಸರ್ವೇಶ ಅನುಗ್ರಹಿಂಪು ಚನಿಯದನಿಂಕನ್. ಸರ್ವಂ ತ್ವಂ ವೇತ್ಸಿ ಸರ್ವದೃಕ್ ತ್ವಮೇವ ಜಗತಾಂ ನಾಥೋ ಜಗತ್ ಏತತ್ತವ ಅರ್ಪಿತಂ. ಓ ಕೃಷ್ಣ, you know everything, you can see everything, and all these worlds belongs to you. Everything is yours. Even then, I would like to dedicate this Vishwam, this world, to you. Hey Bhagavan, please forgive me all kind of my mistakes and bless me and give me permission to go back to my world. Like that Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं. कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं. हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 13th chapter 21st श्लोका. पुरुषः प्रकृतिस्थो हि भुङ्क्ते प्रकृतिजान् गुणान्. कारणं गुणसङ्गोऽस्य सदसद्योनिजन्मसु. पुरुषः प्रकृतिस्थो हि भुङ्क्ते प्रकृतिजान् गुणान्. कारणं गुणसङ्गोऽस्य सदसद्योनिजन्मसु. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.